Good morning, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on the atmosphere. Dear students, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss composition and structure of atmosphere and the layer of atmosphere and ozone layer, depletion of ozone, and all things about this atmosphere. Today, we are going to discuss first and foremost composition and structure of atmosphere. So, as you know that in you must have read in the last year in the class composition of air. Let me introduce this thing. Permanent gases of the atmosphere. As you know that in nitrogen N2 78.08%, oxygen 20.95%, that means almost 21%, and uh, argon 9.3 0.93%, that means so you can say 1%, and all the things carbon, krypton, helium, hydrogen, neon, xenon is in 1%. When it's come to talking about carbon dioxide, it is 0.038%. The composition and structure of the atmosphere, you can say that it is atmosphere is the mixture of different gases, dust particles. Okay, so it envelops around the earth. 99% of the total mass of the atmosphere is confined to highest of the 32 kilometer from the earth's surface. Okay, so atmosphere is consists of the various gases, water, vapor, and dust particles. The presence of oxygen become negligible at the height of 120 kilometer from the surface of the earth. With regards to composition of the atmosphere, carbon dioxide and water vapor occur only up to 90 kilometer. That means above 90 kilometer there is no carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is meteorologically very important as it is transparent to incoming solar radiation and but opaque to outgoing terrestrial radiation. It is responsible for the greenhouse effect, as you know that. Okay, and now ozone gas. As you know that 10 to 50 kilometer above surface of the earth act filters absorbing ultraviolet rays from the sun. Ozone prevents the rays from reaching the surface of the earth. Water vapor is variable gas, decreases with altitude, and it is decreases from equator towards the pole, acts like blanket allowing the earth to neither to become too cool nor too hot. Also contribute to the stability and instability in the air. Now, dust particle. Dust particles are the higher concentration in the subtropical temperate region due to dry winds in comparison to equatorial and polar region. Because in equatorial region and polar region there is no dry wind, wet wind. Okay, so the composition of the atmosphere varies with local environment factors also. This is and this is it. In the next video lecture, we are going to discuss a structure of atmosphere. So as you know that we have two types of outermost surface atmosphere and inner atmosphere, and this atmosphere divided into troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. You can say ionosphere also. Okay, so the boundary of this troposphere and stratosphere is tropopause, and stratosphere and mesosphere mesopause, stratopause, and mesosphere, and the thermosphere is mesopause, like that. Okay, so bit by bit, one by one, we are going to discuss in the next video lecture about the characteristics of this layer. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me, and we are going to discuss it in the next video lecture.